What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got an '09 Hyundai Accent. I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the light. All you need is a 10 millimeter socket and a ratchet. You literally have, you've got two bolts that release it, but first things first, you always want to make sure you disconnect your battery whenever you're messing with electrical, okay? I've taken this one out, but I want to show you how to remove that one, okay? So first things first, disconnect your battery, okay? Then you're going to get your ratchet, okay? Now, of course, you're going to have your bumper on the vehicle, but you will be able to see this bolt, and then this one you won't be able to see because the bumper is there, okay? So in order to get to that, you are going to actually, and to be safe, you're going to need a Phillips as well, okay? So you will see on the top there are some Phillips heads in all of these. You can go ahead and just loosen them all, and then they look like this, okay? They just stick inside there. You take the Phillips out and then you just pull it up just like that. So take all of those out, okay? There are a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So take all those off, okay? Then you're gonna get your ratchet and start taking these off, which I'm gonna put you on the tripod so that way it stays still. All right, cool. Sorry it's windy. Nothing really that I can do about it. I just wanted to get you guys this content. So grab your ratchet after you remove all them bolts on the front with your or screws. Just get your Phillips, remove all those. Okay, we're gonna start on this first one here. Like I say, it's just a 10 millimeter socket. Okay, take that off, put it in a safe spot. Okay, let me move you. All right, cool. Now, on this one, you're actually going to want a short. You're going to want a short 10 millimeter, and I'll tell you why. Because you're going to have the bumper on, so you're actually going to like grab the bumper here, and you're going to just stick your socket in there, okay, and get it in there real good. And then once it's in there, of course I can hold it this way, and I know it's going to be slightly different, but you get the gist of it. At least you know where the bolt is. I had to do it to get this bumper off, and I wasn't filming, and I was like, shoot, I should have been filming, but anyways. So it'll take you a little bit longer to get this one off than the one over there. Okay, so now that we've got that, it's literally free, so you can kind of wiggle it. Just wiggle it out carefully. Now, let me change the angle here. All right, got my tripod set up now. Okay, it's kind of hard to see with how the sun is hitting, so you literally just have two connectors, okay? One there and one down there. Now, to see in reference what I'm trying to show you, there's two connectors. All you do is you push the tab, okay, and pull it out. And it's the same on both. There's a tab only on one. Well, it's actually both sides. You just kind of squeeze it on both sides and pull. Only one of them is functionable. Okay, the right side there is solid, and the left side pushes in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it, but I'm gonna put you on the tripod here. Zoom you in as best as possible. Okay. Came off easy. Really, it shouldn't be that hard to just push them and pull straight off the unit there. That's the most important thing. All the others came off real easy. Let's see if you can even see what I'm trying to do here. I think you can kind of see. Yeah, I'm just pushing the tab there, trying to pull it. Sometimes you can get a flathead screwdriver, just kind of assist it in here. Just got to be careful because it is all plastic. Or you can twist out the bulb. Okay, free the light, twist the bulb out. Now let me make sure you guys can see this real nice. Okay. Just man, he's really on there. It's your turn signal bulb. Goodness gracious. Alright, I'm getting the pliers carefully. You want to jack anything up. I mean, if it wants to be a pain in the ass, you can just leave it. Just being a pain in the butt for sure. Alright, I'm gonna keep messing with it. I'm gonna pause it for a second. Alright, cool. Well, I got it in one piece. So yeah, it's just a really big pain in the butt. Let me zoom you out. There we go. So yeah, anyway. Definitely just, put that back in so no water gets in the unit, but you don't want these plugs to get dirty. Okay, so if you're just replacing the assembly, it's super easy. You literally just do exactly what I did. Unplug those, okay, pull the light out, okay, then you're going to get the new light, which let's just say this was the new light. You would get it. Make sure you have bulbs. If you do not have bulbs, basically this is really simple. This unscrews, okay, and then you'll push the little wire here, you'll push it down and it unhooks. Okay, and we push it down and move it, it moves out of the way, and then this just pulls right out and you unplug the light bulb there. So, but that's how you put the remove and replace the housing. Now, to put it back in, you literally plug these two units back in, slide it back in the hole, okay, and you have your two 10mm bolts, and that's it. After you plug it back in, you're done. Plug back in, put your bolts in. Your new light will need adjusted, so your alignment needs adjusted. I think, yeah, there's your adjustment right there. So let's see here. Basically, I would imagine, I could be wrong, but that might be your adjustment. These may not need adjusted. They might be already adjusted from the factory. I'm not sure. That's a great question. So that's something I don't know off the top of my head. But usually all your lights have an adjustment. So you got to go one adjust it left to right and one goes up and down. But I'm literally not seeing any adjustments on here besides something like this. I'm not sure what that is. So I'm not going to say, but usually you always have to adjust the lights so that way they're aiming properly. That's a whole different video in itself, but just to replace the housing itself is pretty easy. Anybody can do it. If you have any questions, make sure you drop them in the comments down below or on the side, wherever they are. I will make sure that I answer every question the best that I can. And if this content helps you, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, like the channel, and or subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bells. Also, if there's something that you want to see related to the 09 Hyundai Accent or Hyundai Accent in general, let me know, and I'll see if I can't work on getting you some content for that. But once again, thank you so much for watching my channel. Have a great day.